The year was 1973, and America was changing fast. The oil crisis hit, safety standards were rising, and every automaker faced the same challenge: make it stronger, make it smarter, and make it safer. But for Ford, that challenge wasn't a burden, it was a calling. This wasn't just another truck, it was the dawn of a tougher, safer era. The sixth-generation Ford F-Series. When Ford introduced the sixth generation in 1973, they redesigned nearly everything. From the chassis to the body lines, this machine was meant to survive the decade ahead. The body panels grew thicker, the structure more rigid, and the interiors safer than ever before. Under the hood, the lineup was pure muscle. From the reliable 240 inline-six to the monstrous 460 V8. These weren't just engines, they were the heartbeat of American work. Every bolt, every weld, every sound of that engine told one story. Ford wasn't backing down, no matter what the world threw at it. Then came 1975, the year everything changed. To meet tougher emission laws and stricter payload regulations, Ford introduced a new nameplate, the F-150. It didn't just replace the F-100, it redefined what a pickup could be. Stronger frame, tougher suspension, and reliability that became legendary. This was the moment the world met the truck that would go on to dominate for the next 5 decades. The F-150 wasn't born in luxury, it was born in sweat, steel, and purpose. By the mid-70s, Ford wasn't just chasing toughness, they were chasing trust. New crumple zones, stronger doors, improved steering control, all built to protect the people behind the wheel. Because by now, the F-Series wasn't just a workhorse. It was part of American families, farms, and dreams. The 70s were about resilience. Gas prices climbed, factories struggled, but people kept moving, and their trucks had to move with them. That's why Ford doubled down on durability. Trucks that could tow, climb, haul, and survive day after day. Whether it was a farmer in Kansas or a builder in Detroit, the 6th Gen F-Series became their armor, their companion, their story on wheels. A brand new Ford F-150 in 1975 cost around $4,000, and it was worth every penny. For most, it wasn't just a purchase, it was an investment in their future, a tool, a partner, a piece of freedom. These trucks are still running today, passed down through generations, restored by collectors, and remembered by those who grew up riding in the back on dusty summer roads. So, does the 6th generation Ford F-Series deserve its place in history? Absolutely. This was the era that gave birth to a legend, the F-150. A name that would soon become the heartbeat of America's roads. It wasn't just about toughness anymore. It was about safety, endurance, and evolution. Ford didn't just make a stronger truck. They made a smarter one, built for the everyday heroes who relied on it. So next time you see an F-150 powering down the highway, remember, it all started here, between 1973 and 1979. The moment Ford turned strength into legacy and a pickup into an icon. Want to see how this transformation shaped the future of every Ford truck that followed? Watch the full video, link in the description.